Hello everyone, what's up? Today coming along with me as I get ready for the first Christmas party of December. Yay! Let's go! Whew. Okay. I already washed my face. I just need to put moisturizer and whew, just okay, let's do a simple skincare before we start. I only have 30 minutes left before I head out and go to the restaurant. So I need to be there a bit early because we're gonna decorate the restaurant. The location of the Christmas party. So then for the moisturizer I'm using, I'm not so sure if you can see, Ban Ban. So I really like this moisturizer because it's not that sticky and it works well when I apply my makeup. So, and don't forget the neck. I'm really in a hurry. Hindi naman halata, no? Better not. I'm using Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hour in the shade. Where's the shade? I don't know. Aha! In the shade 128. So the way I apply my foundation is I usually start with the brush first. And then oopsie. I'm kind of not happy with my foundation, so I'm gonna put just another layer for extra coverage. I have two mirrors. Baka nalilito kayo bakit kung saan ako nakatingin mirror. I have this big mirror right here and I have a smaller one right here and medyo mas zoom siya. So, just gonna blend everything up. And then, something that's very important to me is my concealer. Because this one is by Desem. It's a Cover Perfection Deep Concealer in the shade 1.5. So, this is very important for me because I have so many things to conceal. And of course, we need to bake to make sure no creases. And I'm using this product from Thailand. It's called Serchan Translucent Powder. I have no idea if I said it correctly. And if you can actually hear me from all the tapping. So for contouring, I'm using the Advanced Base Trio palette, which you have seen me use countless of time. Let me just get my contour brush, top the X's, and stand to contour. I have a very chubby cheek, so need ko talaga mag-contour guys. go to the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use the Everbelena Iconic and as well the Smoky BIOS palette on the go. So I'm just gonna play with it and just see what will come about. I'm gonna put this gold right here. Lip balm. Hardest part of everything is eyeliner. So I'm using Miss Teen So Black. It's from Thailand again. So I'm just gonna tight line from the under of my eye just to get the effect. This one is, I don't know the name. For the brows, I'm using this one from Chris, Everbelena Life Kit. So this is by Savannah Colors and shade 07, and as again, it's from Thailand. So really, Thailand has one of the best cosmetics as well and very affordable. Okay, I'm kind of happy with my makeup considering that I just did this in 30 minutes. So, mascara. The last step is just for a bit. Seal everything up. We're done. Just stop. Like, oh my god, it went to my eye. No worries. Mukha ako umiyak. This is the hardest part when putting mascara for me. Shouldn't do that. Putting another layer of concealer. I'm just gonna put the powder again. So this is the final look. And time for me to get changed. So see you guys soon.